The holiday shopping season is upon us, and if you're anything like me, you are probably dreading the idea of just buying a whole bunch of more toys for your kids. Am I right? Today I'm going to share with you 12 different categories of ideas of gifts that are not toys that your kids are sure to love, with an extra special bonus one at the end. So make sure you stay all the way through to the end. Before we jump in, I want to let you know about a way that you can save some money by getting some rebates on all of your holiday shopping, or even just any time throughout the year, by using a website called Rakuten. This video is not sponsored by them, but I have been using them for several years, and right now they have a great opportunity where if you sign up for a new membership by this Thursday, November 11th, you can get $40 cash back once you start a new membership and purchase up to $40 worth of products within the first 90 days of signing up. I will leave my referral link in the description below if you want to check that out for yourself. It's totally worth it. Let's jump into some non-toy gift ideas. And the first category is personalized items. For a kid, there's not many things more special than getting something that has their name engraved on it, or a monogram, or something that is just specific to them. These could be things like jewelry that is an initial, or something that has their name engraved on it, like a Bible, a water bottle, or a mug, or even a backpack that you could get personalized specific to your child. It is something that will definitely light their eyes up. Kids love seeing their name on things. So this is a really fun idea that does not have to be expensive. My second idea is a subscription. This could be for something like magazines, or if your kids love audiobooks, maybe get them a subscription for Audible where they can choose a new audiobook that they get to pick every single month. Or you could sign your kid up for a subscription box or crate. There's all kinds of different educational boxes, as well as like arts and craft type boxes, or even book club boxes that are great subscriptions that you can do. If that's a little bit outside of your budget, maybe check into just a one-time box that is something that is different and educational and fun. The third gift idea is a membership. This is something that we have utilized in the past. Rather than have our kids' grandparents get them a bunch of toys for Christmas, we had them get a membership to the Children's Museum, and the kids loved that. That was something that we could go to regularly and enjoy that we wouldn't necessarily do on our own because it was kind of expensive to go as a one-time thing. But when you have the membership, it often makes it very, very affordable if it's something that you know you're going to utilize often. You could do a museum, or you could do a membership to a zoo or an aquarium, or even like online memberships to different groups that they might want to participate in. Memberships are one of those things that's a gift that keeps on giving, that they can use all throughout the year and just have some really fun experiences. The next idea is arts and crafts. This one is one that I have used historically in the past to kind of restock my art cabinet for the kids' arts and crafts supplies. A great opportunity to maybe get a couple new things that you might have wanted to purchase for your homeschool, or just for fun, that maybe you didn't have the budget to do at the beginning of the school year and you want to invest in something new or different now. It's fun here to get something maybe that's a little bit outside the box that your kids might not even know is out there, like a wood burning tool that you can supervise them with, or a child's pottery wheel and some clay, this desktop easel, and then a large clipboard, or even just a nice set of paints and brushes that your kids can really get into experimenting with some new arts and crafts supplies. Is really fun. The next category is lessons or a class. If it's something that you know that they would want to learn more about, or that they especially have asked you about doing, like a ballet class or taekwondo, or some kind of music lesson, or maybe archery. It's a great opportunity to just build into your kids and help them to know that you support them in their interests and their desires to improve themselves. Another fun gift idea is books. These could be like a series that your kids are already interested in, or one that you think they might enjoy, or even something like a sticker or some kind of activity book, like a drawing, step-by-step drawing book, or a book about something that maybe they want to learn about, like survival skills. I have a whole video coming out later this week that is about a whole bunch of different great gift book ideas, especially if you have boys. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and be on the lookout for later this week when that video comes up. The next idea is experiences. It is always fun to go do something out of the norm and have time together. There's such a variety of different experiences that can fit any budget out there, from things like going on a hike with your kid and packing a picnic, Or you could do things like going on a coffee date with your child, or give them movie tickets, or take them out to a concert or to a play, or taking them to something like an amusement park if you have the ability to do something like that. You could take your kids to the zoo or the museum or an aquarium or some kind of observatory or something that your kids are interested in. Giving them something that they can remember forever is gonna go a lot longer than some more toys that are gonna get shoved under the bed. The next category is apparel. Something for little kids like dress-up clothes or tutus if your daughter's anything like mine and just wants to wear them everywhere. Or if your kids are a little bit older, maybe a t-shirt or a sweatshirt with their favorite team on it, or a band. Or for girls, you know, accessories are always wanted. Scarves and purses and jewelry and those kind of things are always a big hit with girls. The next category is edibles. This is a fun one because everybody loves to eat, especially if it's a really fun snack or treat. So this could be something like getting your child a new thermos mug and a package of hot cocoa, or a gift card to take them out to their favorite ice cream shop, or maybe some kind of like chocolate sampler that is full of just a whole bunch of different varieties that they can taste test. Maybe a gift card to their favorite restaurant that you could take them out on a one-on-one date with, and again, build that time and that experience that you can do together. Or something, if your kid's really into cooking or has expressed interest in that, maybe you get them a cookbook and some utensils or the ingredients to bake their favorite cookies. There are a lot of different ideas around things that you can eat that are a lot of fun. The next category is outdoor activities. This is a great one because kids today spend far less time outside than we did even when we were children, and any opportunity to get them outside is a win in my book. So finding things that you think that they might be engaged in to participate in things outside, even something simple like sidewalk chalk or a bubble machine for younger kids, or yard games like cornhole or horseshoes or badminton, or if your budget's a little bit bigger, maybe something that's a big energy burner, especially if you have boys. We got to get that energy out somehow. So something like a trampoline is fantastic, or a ninja course if you have property where you can put up something like that in your yard, or figure out something like that that you can create for your kids, or creating a mud kitchen that is really fun for your preschool or early elementary kids. Those are all really fun activities for your kids to spend more time outside. Another fun idea is games. Another great one for you to have some good quality time together. Games like checkers or chess are really great strategy games to get your kids' brains working. My family loves the game Spot It and Blockus. And recently we've got really into the game Color Coup, which is like Sudoku but with colored balls that you place in the squares. There are a lot of different games out there that are really fun to do, and I've got a video about educational games that we have used in our homeschool that I will link in the description below if you want some ideas of educational type games that might be a good supplement to your homeschool as well. Next up is sporting goods. Sporting goods can cover anything from actual sports type equipment like a new football or a basketball or soccer ball. If your family enjoys camping chair or a new sleeping bag, or we've gotten our kids headlamps that they have really enjoyed. You could get them binoculars and a bird watching or a game watching type of guide that would help them identify what they're looking at. Those are fun options. And my bonus idea is a gift donation. It's something that your kids can participate in, and by doing it, they are blessed by knowing that what they're doing is helping someone else. As the Bible says, it is more blessed to give than to receive. And when you can do something like this as a family, it can be something that is really meaningful and impactful in their own hearts and lives, and that will last forever and hopefully spill out into more and more people. You could do like an angel tree type of donation. You could donate to a homeless shelter. A lot of times schools have gift programs that you can go in together and pick things out for a child in need in your community. One of the things that my family loves to do is look through the World Vision gift catalog that comes out every year. We set aside a portion of our Christmas budget, and then they get to go through and look through all of the different categories of gifts like chickens or a goat or medical supplies or school for a child for a year. World Vision then provides a family in need with that thing that can help lift them out of poverty, and that can be truly the most meaningful gift of all. I hope you got some ideas of some gifts to give your kids that you will enjoy doing something a little bit outside the box this year. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button below and share this out to anyone else you think might find it helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.